Welcome to White Hat Zone, the white glove of trading education and structured social trading insights. Today we're breaking down the real reason most traders lose and how you can avoid becoming part of that statistic. Most traders lose for one simple reason. They enter the market with no foundation. They don't understand how price moves, how markets behave, or how to analyze opportunity. Without structure, every trade becomes a guess, and guessing in the world's biggest financial market almost always ends badly. Emotions are a trader's biggest enemy. Fear makes people exit early, greed pushes them into bad entries, and revenge trading starts when someone tries to win back what they've lost. Professional traders aren't better because they're smarter, they're better because they control their emotional responses. Now, the majority of retail traders risk way too much on every single trade. When the risk is high, even one or two losing trades can wipe out an entire account. Professionals stay consistent because they protect capital first and profit second. Consistent traders follow rules. They risk small, wait patiently, and act only when probability is in their favor. This is why traders like the Golden Edge, Aurum, and Convexus stand out. They trade with discipline, not emotion. For beginners, social trading provides structure through observation. You're able to follow disciplined, vetted professionals while keeping your own account in your name and under your control. It allows you to learn how real consistency looks while building your education at the same time. Now, if you want to learn how to trade properly and understand how social trading works with vetted professionals, click the link below and unlock the White Hat Zone Learning Center for absolutely free. Trade smart, trade ethical, trade white hat.